In forests deep, where whispers roam, friendship blossoms, finds its home. Beneath the canopy's embrace, nature's beauty, friendship's grace. With every leaf, a story told. In rivers wide, our dreams unfold. Through sunlight's glades, we wander free. In nature's arms, together we'll be. With friends beside, the world's a song. In harmony, we all belong. In meadows wide, where dreams take flight, friendship gleams in morning light. Through seasons change, our bond holds tight. In nature's realm, our souls take flight.